To maintain an endotoxin-free environment, you need to clean the PhyPrep before each run. To start, ensure the door is closed. Then press the maintenance button on the screen. Press the Clean Instrument button. The PhyPrep will then start to initialize to be ready for cleaning. Next, follow the on-screen guide on the deck cleaning screen, step by step. First, open the door and ensure all consumables are removed from the deck. Then spray and wipe down the deck area with 70% alcohol spray. Remove the accessories and spray and wipe them down with 70% alcohol. Then, close the door and on the PhyPrep screen, check the 3 steps that you completed and press Next. The instrument will now move the head to the front for easier access to the nozzles. Next, follow the on-screen guide on the nozzle cleaning screen, step by step. Open the door and spray a wipe with 70% alcohol and clean the nozzles and ejector parts. Do not spray directly on these parts. Then, close the door. After you have closed the door, check the 3 steps that you completed and press Next. The PhyPrep will then initialize and get ready for your next run.